Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. In this video I want to show you the swallow we prepared. This is 3-in-1 swallow. Watch out for my previous video how we prepare this. So we want to eat our the swallow. Okay, so this is the soup we are going to use. This is papaya and melon soup. Okay, it's on my YouTube channel. How we prepare it is there, so follow us and come and join us with this delicious food. Philip, come and sit. Mm, yeah, sit. This is nice. This is 3-in-1.
Mama.
Come and join us. So I want to watch this. No, this one.
Oh, my people, thank you for joining us. So this is a 3-in-1, cassava fermented flour, millet, and banana powder. The banana powder is on our YouTube channel. Cassava fermented flour is on our YouTube channel, and the millet is also on our YouTube channel. So we are eating it with papaya leaf with egusi. Is also on our YouTube channel.
Wait.
Wow, this is a must try. Viewers, please, you are invited. Wow, this is for a weight loss. If you are trying to watch your weight, this is the kind of meal, the kind of swallow. Yeah.
Delicious.
This kind of food you can eat any time of the day. This one, oh my God. Go eat, yeah? Hello, people. The food is not just only delicious, it's nutritious. Wait. Mm. The weather is hot.
Yeah.
I think. Oh,
Ẹgbẹ́ kan àárẹ̀.
let me eat this.
Come and
Please stand up.
sit.
Stand up, uncle. Go and sit there. Yeah, sit, sit. Sit, sit, sit. Yeah. So viewers, we change position.
Because of the sun.
The sun.
Heat is too much.
The heat is increasing. Wow. The banana flower is on our YouTube channel. We observe that the banana flower, we can't keep eating fresh banana, so we have to preserve it. So at least it's over a week or two now we have preserved it, and it's still useful for us. Bone,
No preservative.
no preservative o. It's purely organic. And the papaya leaf, for those who want to reduce their weight, please include papaya leaf in your meals.
Food. Yes. You can blend it fresh. In our next video, we are going to show you how we are.
We'll make use of it.
Yes.
Philip, use one hand to eat.
One hand. Share.
Like, comment.
Comment or
Forget about it. Let me show viewers what we are. Viewers, this is our meal. This one, Philip, you're enjoying it, eh? Keep eating. Wow, this is authentically
Come and join us.
nutritious. The soup is delicious.
Delicious.
Mm. Share, subscribe. Eat with one hand. Mm.
See you in our next video.
Philip, say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Mwah.
Philip, please see them.
Philip, say bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye. Mwah.